successful trading.
Our traders in our Discord room are recording 10 baggers week in and week out. Our one-on-one coaching featuring flow algo, technical analysis, position sizing, and risk management.
While we learn to trade options as a beginner.
Hello, this is Successful Trading again. I'm doing these back-to-back videos on here on give a set of small conditions to enter a bearish trend in order to trade put options. So initially, the previous video or a related video that you're watching here was on a bullish trend. So this now is on the bearish trend. So this is, I left it here purposely. This is what we put on for bullish trend in green, and we don't want to use red on here, so we are using this purple or whatever. In our case here, we're gonna illustrate using SPY because we had numerous opportunities on SPY recently, especially on Fridays, right? Those who are watching us on Friday here, those who in our Discord room who have been trading with us on Friday. So these are the set of conditions. Do not be confused if you are catching this video. I'm purposely leaving the bullish side on it. That's where if you just decide to watch this one, you get two techniques for the price of one single video. So here for us, it doesn't matter really if there was a gap or was not a gap. So at the beginning of the day, this is how you go about setting up your bearish trade. So let's click on here and update that. So for us, what are we looking for here? We are looking, most likely, we are looking at, hey, is the first candle bearish? So really, meaning, what do we mean by that? Is first candle bearish? Meaning, is it red? Is first candle red? And then full. But it could be green as well. I mean, really just that, hey, it will be ideal. So let's update this on here. So for us, and then have this as such, right? So the first one could or could not be true. So then number two for us, we want a close below the VWAP on 15-minute chart. So meaning, does that first candle could close below VWAP, or the second candle could close below VWAP? First or second candle, okay? Doesn't matter. Or third candle or fourth candle, doesn't matter. This is patience, folks. Your patience will be tested. A close below VWAP on 15-minute chart. What we really like to see most of the time, we want to test a retest of VWAP and a close below. So that's for us will be the perfect setup. And then that will be the perfect entry. So for us, here, the third one, retest. So we close below VWAP, right? I'm going to illustrate that on a video, so on the chart itself. We close below VWAP. Okay, actually, can I do that here? First candle is red. Yeah, we have seen this before. First candle is red. But still no action yet. No action yet. A close below VWAP. Yes, this candle fulfilled the first two conditions. So for us, the second candle now is doing what the third thing is here. A retest of VWAP and a close, not above, that will be for bullish. This is for bearish. A close below that. It doesn't have to be a close below that. I mean, sometimes they like to take their time. So this one, meaning it's not necessary. You can have a test and then, so like this one here, we close below, we are red, but this retest of condition number 3, the first two conditions are fulfilled by this first candle, right? This is 15 minutes of SPY. This was Friday, folks. We traded this confidently. People were making over 300% gains on this. Fact. Come to our Discord room and view that. So retest of VWAP and close below VWAP. Ideally, so what should I be putting between parentheses? So a close below VWAP, okay. But for us, 4 will be a type of perfect entry really for us. Well, yeah, posting lower lows. Yeah. So condition number 1 and 2 are met. Condition number 3 is met partially because we close below VWAP. How do I know that? Here's VWAP on here, my friend. Here's our close on here. So the close was at 305.24. The VWAP was at 305.16. They're virtual identical. Come on now. So here, somewhere here on this candle, this is our perfect entry. Because, so for us, here, you generate an alert to say, hey, I'm going to trigger my entry to my option. And again, on the side, you are looking at your option chart. So meaning you have a good idea what the price, because here, the price here of this option appreciated from open to the 15 minute, but then it decreased here. So meaning you knew what value was here. So somewhere in this candle, you have a good idea what your entry is going to be already. Yes, folks. Yes. That's how specific it is. So posting a lower low. So a new low of the day, posting lower low. Entry on new low of the day. This is to make absolutely certain that, hey, you are taking zero chance. So somewhere here, the low of this day on this candle is 304.53. So for you, you put your alert when we hit 304.50, you're patient because this is 45 minutes. Why are we taking so much time to enter the trade? To absolutely make sure. Yes, people will tell you, give you reason to, oh, you could have entered this one much more sooner, but you are not certain of the direction. We don't want to gamble. We have our time. So besides, depending on the day of the week, this was Friday. So my friend, after 45 minutes, the option theta is already decreasing. Yeah. And you come in, sweep them up, and just nobody was watching. That's how we roll. So here, let me bring in a call out text and say the entry is on this candle. It's perfect entry when stock hits new low of the day. Bang. We have that. So for us, it would have been somewhere here at 304.50, and then you just write it down. So here are your conditions. Is it fully visible, folks? I want to make sure that this is visible because these videos, the quality of the video will go about determining how many people likes them. We want people to like them. Of course, we want people to review them. So I'm making the video for the people. Obviously, our subscribers first, but overall. So, first candle red, bang. A close below VWAP? Yes, on this first candle. The second candle, a retest of VWAP? Yes. Did we close below VWAP? No. So hence, no action really. Are we posting a lower low? Entry on new low of the day? Somewhere here? Bang. Ding. Make money. All right. So you think that's random? That's not. So let's go back and show you another instance on another day where we were able to successful. Last Wednesday, we gapped down. So that's already significant. But notice that the first candle is not red. We don't care. And are we closing below VWAP? The close here is 310.07. VWAP is exactly at 310. Yeah, you can see it over there, right? All right. So, and a close below VWAP on 15-minute chart. Okay, actually this happened somewhere here because VWAP at some point here, VWAP goes to 3908. As for us, at some point during this 15-minute, that becomes true. Did we retest VWAP? Not kinda, we did not. But are we posting a new low of the day? Yes, we are. So a confident entry here. If you waited for it to come, that's fine on here because you get your retest and rejection. Yeah, retest of VWAP and close below, meaning that's a rejection kind of, right? So in that case, if you entered on here, you were able to right SPY from, let's say, the open here 308 to 302. Because this side we were not interested. We are here below the Bollinger Band. So you take your money and you run. Let me give you a third recent exhibit. My friend, it works on everything. If you're wondering in the back of your mind. Here, we have a gap up. So you see, any type of gap, up or down, you apply the same methodology. First candle, close below VWAP. The answer is yes. Color of the first candle, red. Meaning it stuck that gap up and is not able to post new lows all of a sudden. No. Lower lows, yes. Did we retest VWAP? Yes. Did we get rejected? Yes. Perfect entry, this candle. Bang. So let's put a text on there to say, an annotation, a call out. Perfect candle, perfect entry. For put, we are bearish. This is a bearish scenario. So you have it here. When was this date here? This date was on the 19th, meaning 2 Fridays ago. Oh, okay. So maybe you could be saying, This guy only does that on SPY. And besides, he has just showed 2 days, right? Let me also show you a fourth occurrence. A fourth occurrence. That's one. This one here, it applied, folks. It applied, but the move didn't go that far. So meaning for you here, after posting this newer low here, new low of the day here, below you took that, and for 30 minutes you have been able, the low here is at 313.73. If you went at 308.5 points, it's not bad. I mean, in 45 minutes time, just out of one technique, right? So if you want to become a one pony trick show, that's fine. Do that. But my friend, this is going to give you a lot of money. So same thing here. We gap up. This was on a Friday the 12th. We traded this in the room. Yeah, we have been trading SPY. So cut off the first candle. Yeah, but they didn't post a higher high, a really strong higher high. Meaning, yeah, this candle is green, but it's one of those like, okay, so you gap up, but first of all, you have resistance of the upper Bollinger on here. Close below VWAP. Retest of VWAP. Posting lower low. Yes. Okay. All 3 conditions fulfilled. Perfect entry. So where's my stamp? Let me do this here. Call out. Bang. Perfect entry. Just have those conditions met and you're ready. So some of us, they sold somewhere here from, let me make it bigger. So from, let's say, 307, and then they may have sold on this candle here at 301. That's 6 points on a Friday, my friend. Beautiful. Some of us, we waited. We were trading 300 puts, so we waited on it. So what do you mean? What do you do here during this hour where the trade is going against you? We had Monday expiration, so theta wasn't a problem. We just chill because EMA 8, EMA 20 in green. The yellow one is EMA 8. How am I reading that? I'm reading that from here. So sorry about that. Let me bring this bigger. And we know that we still have VWAP as resistance, and that's what happened on here. So yeah, a little bit of, but I mean, if you want to sell it here and then re-enter here when this rejection happened, oh yeah, then you can do that. Otherwise, for us, we had Monday, so we waited. And we were trading some expiration on Friday as well. In any case, we managed the trade very well. And all of this started really about a week ago. After on this day, let me zoom in. This doesn't show it well. Okay, this is better. So we were busy trading other stock on this day. So we felt bad that how can SPY do this one on Thursday, and we didn't trade that in our Discord room. So we take our vengeance the next Fridays. This was a Thursday, the 11th. We were trading some serious puts on here. Oh, the type of puts you were trading, you want to see? Let me show you what we were doing on that day. We're busy doing on that day here or at Successful Trading. I know I digress as usual. So let me go to quickly. It was on the 10. It was a 10 bagger. You say, yeah, you guess. If you guess it right, we're busy trading this. We bought these puts on Wells Fargo at 10 cents, and we were busy on the 11th of June. Yeah, okay. We were busy selling them for $1. 10 bagger. Bam. Other traders were trading 10 baggers on BAC. So in any case, that's really not the point. The point on here, like, stay focused. The point is that this trade. So now I show them to you on SPY. Oh, geez. Could I possibly find them on another chart? Could I possibly find them on? Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Last week, win. On the 26th, on Friday the 26th, Alex, what's wrong with you with the 26th? Close below VWAP, posting lower lows. Hello? You just write it. But before that, let's go actually to Wednesday. Wednesday was beautiful. And I'm going to close on that because this video has gone on for too long now. 13 minutes. Oh, it's the same size as the previous video. Gap down. First candle red. The close is 82.04. VWAP is 82.38. We are below VWAP. Posting lower lows. Fantastic. We're expecting a retest. Always, if you're patient, you wait for that retest, you're going to get great entry on option. Retest, fail, perfect entry somewhere there. All right? So, and just look for this pattern. Every single day you have an opportunity. And now the question is going to be for you, which stock to be looking for? Well, come to Successful Tradings. We provide you subscription trade alerts every Friday for the week to come. No need to worry about, oh, every new day. No, you have your list. How big is the list? The list have between 10 and sometimes I've gone 14 stocks. Yeah, but you don't really have to focus on all of them. Besides, we're going to help you. We're going to be alerting you in our Discord room that, hey, this is the big mover. We're showing you the chart of the stock, the chart of the option, so that you can pick. And then for you, apply this knowledge Apply this knowledge on this video and the reciprocal on the bull side, because we trade both sides. We are neither bullish or bearish. We trade whatever the market is doing. So for us, we just want the market to be moving. And when it's moving, we are ready like snipers just to take the shots. All right, folks? Please leave comments, leave suggestions, share with your friends if you find the content of this channel to your liking, and we will continue to work so that you will keep coming. Thank you. Have a great evening, have a great day, have a great morning, wherever you're catching us from. Bye-bye. Hello,